How to fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Rainbow Six Siege connection error. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, download and install the Lego Fast software on your PC and set it up. Then start the program and then navigate to the top left side and click on the game boost and type Overwatch 2 in the search bar. Then simply choose a server that's similar to the game server. Ensure the server you select is close to your region. Afterward, click the Smart Boost button to get rid of errors preventing you from communicating with bartender services in Overwatch 2. So in this very simple step you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.